Today we will discuss about the how can we calculate the number of atom and molecule and particle. To calculate the number of atom, molecule and particle, first we must have to know about the formula. How can we calculate the number of atom? The number of atom is equal to given mass by molar mass into Avogadro number. Avogadro number. But this given mass by molar mass, this is equal to the moles. Mole is equal to the given mass by molar mass. This mole is denoted by the small n. Number of atom is denoted by the capital N. Then Avogadro number is denoted by the N0. Then the formula becomes N is equal to small n into N0 or N dot. This is the now number of atom is equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. By this formula, we can calculate the number of atom, molecule and particle. We will solve the numerical from the NCERT book, page number 42. Calculate the number of particles in each of the following. 46 gram of sodium atom. If we want to calculate the number of atom, then the formula is equal to number of atom by mass by molar mass into Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Now for sodium, molar mass of sodium is sodium atomic number is 11 and its mass number is 23, and here sodium is in the atom form. It means here one atom of the sodium is present and its mass is 23. Molar mass is 23. Now put the value number of atom in the sodium is equal to given mass. Given mass is 46 gram and molar mass of sodium is 23 and Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 is to power 23. When you solve it, 23 2 ja 46, multiply this, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 0 ja 0, 2 6 ja 12 into 10 is to power 23. This is the number of atom in sodium atom. 8 gram of oxygen molecule. Now similar formula, number of atom is equal to given mass by molar mass into Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Now here the first find out the molar mass of O2 molecule, not in the atomic form, it is in the molecule form. Here the oxygen 2 atom are present because it is in the O2 form, and 2 atom of oxygen is present in O2 and its atomic number is 8 and mass number is 16. Then its molar mass becomes 32 gram. Now find out the number of atom. Number of atom is equal to given mass is 8 gram, molar mass is 32 and Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 is to power 23. 8 4 the 32 and divide 6.022 by 4. Then it becomes 4 1 ja 4. Then it will become near about 1.51 into 10 raised to power 23 number of atom in oxygen molecule. Number of atom in oxygen molecule. Calculate the number of particle in 0.1 mole of carbon atom. Now the formula is number of atom is equal to given mass by molar mass multiplied by Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Now we know that number of mole small n is equal to given mass by molar mass, because here carbon atom is given in the form of mole, not in the atom or molecule. Now number of atom is equal to number of mole into Avogadro number. Number of atom and number of mole here is 0.1. Number of mole is 0.1 of carbon atom and Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 22. Now it will become 6.022 into 10 raised to power, Avogadro number is 10 raised to power 23, and it will become 22 because if we replace the point from here, then this point will cut with the 1 and this will become 22. Instead of 23, it will become 22. Number of atom of carbon atom is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 22. Calculate the number of aluminium ion present in the 0.051 gram of aluminium oxide. First write down the formula of aluminium oxide. Aluminium and oxide, two elements are there, and aluminium is Al1327 and oxide is oxygen O8 and 16 atomic number and mass number. Here aluminium give rise 3 electron. It will give 3 electron because its electronic configuration is 283, and oxygen take 2 electron because its electronic configuration is 2 and 6. It will take 2 electron, and aluminium will give 3 electron. Aluminium 3, oxygen 2, cross multiply, then it will become Al2O3. Now the molar mass. Molar mass of Al2O3 is equal to, aluminium is at the mass number is 27, but here aluminium ion is 2 into 27, and oxygen is mass number is 16, and here ion of oxygen is 3 into 16. 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5, 16 3 ja 48. It will become 102. Now number of aluminium ion. Given mass by molar mass is into Avogadro number. Given mass here is 0.051 and molar mass is 102, and Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Now replace this point by putting 1 2 3 1000. 51 2 ja 102, cut this way, 2 3 are 6, 2 0, 2 1 is 1, 2 1 is 1. Here these 3 0 cut with this 3 and it will become 20. Now number of aluminium ion is 3.011 into 10 raised to power 20. But in aluminium oxide, here ion of the aluminium is 2. Number of aluminium ion in aluminium oxide. The ion in the aluminium oxide, aluminium ion is 2 in number, then multiply this number of aluminium ion by 1 ion to the 2 ion. 2 into 3.011 into 10 raised to power 20 equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 20. Thank you.